Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you in a very simplistic tutorial for absolute beginners how to play the kazoo like a pro. Once again, this will be a full tutorial for beginners, so let's get right into the video. This is a very simplistic kazoo, and it is probably one of the easiest, if not the absolute easiest instruments to learn how to play. Now, shout out to my dad. Thank you to my dad for actually giving me this kazoo, because I told him he's a musician like no tomorrow. He has all sorts of instruments. He plays all of them fluently. Go follow him on Instagram if you're up for it. He always posts videos of him playing songs on instruments. To get to his Instagram, it's at Ezio Chimicata, which is, at Ezio Chimicata, Ezio. Ezio, Cimicata, Chimicata, all one sort of handle without any spaces or underscores or underlines or dashes or anything like that. But if you really want to get to it, you can just go to my Instagram, which is linked in the description. Shameless shout out to myself, and go, and I'm following him obviously, so go and just look at who I'm following or my followers, and you're gonna find his account. Now, really easy to play, okay? And I just wanted to shout out my dad because I said, can I borrow it? And he goes, I got like 4 of them here, just keep one. So I play it, my kids play it, everybody has fun, my wife even plays it, everybody has fun with it, okay? Now, it's very easy to play. Sorry about the long intro, but we're gonna get into the actual tutorial. Basically, I want you to hum. Now, do that on the kazoo, on not the small side, but the bigger side. So what I did there is I went and then open. Okay, so that's the basics of playing the kazoo. Now what you can do is go. So now what you've done is you've created a sound and you've created separation of sound. Okay, I know it sounds silly when I'm doing it, but you've created a very simple. Now what you can do, and my mouth is going around the kazoo like that, okay? You don't have to, you can go on the kazoo or you can go around the kazoo. I recommend around, it's a little bit easier to play. But basically, if you can make a humming sound and you can use your tongue to separate your humming sounds, you can play the kazoo like that. All right, ran out of breath there. Getting a little bit lightheaded. I'm kidding. I'm gonna take a sip of coffee though. In all seriousness, my throat is super dry. Alrighty, so the last thing is that you can change your pitch by going higher or lower. And then you can even sing. And lastly, you can roll your R's on the kazoo. All right, that's it. Let's try to do a little bit of a jingle from anything that I could think of. Anyways, I just made my own little sort of humming song right there. But that's it. That is essentially how to play the kazoo like a pro, full tutorial for absolute beginners. I've shown you how to play it. Really easy to do. If you like this video tutorial and sort of the storytelling, and shout out to my dad at the beginning, please be sure to give it a nice, awesome thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe. That's what I do. When I'm done filming, I got a whole bunch of props here. I film a video with a prop and I move it to the back. This way I know what I have left to use and then what I have to bring in the house tonight when I get home. All this stuff in the back is already done, and I got to bring it in the house when I get home to put it back, because I just go around the house and I grab whatever I find and I use it for videos. Anyways, as well as buying stuff, obviously. Anyways, that's a whole separate story. If you like this video, tutorial / demonstration, storytelling, explanation, whatever you want to call it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.